Hey there. My name is Sarah, and I am replacing Sandy in today's episode as we understand and discuss the benefits and drawbacks of using the pressure cooker for your home use. As the pressure builds and the steam is released, pressure cookers can create a lot of noise. If you have noisy neighbors or cook in a small kitchen, this could be an issue. Overall, pressure cookers can be an excellent culinary tool, but they have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. Before selecting whether a pressure cooker is the best option for your culinary needs, it is critical to consider these facts. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on our channel as we need your feedback very importantly. Thanks. Cheers. It's probable that more people routinely cooked at home during lockdowns using pressure cookers. Pressure cookers can be a useful and time-saving appliance in the kitchen as more people choose to eat at home. Also, pressure cookers can be a terrific method to prepare wholesome meals at home without spending a lot of time or money as more people look for ways to save money and eat well. An effective and popular kitchen tool for cooking meals rapidly is the pressure cooker. Absolutely, using a pressure cooker to cook food can be beneficial. Due to its ability to preserve nutrients and vitamins in the food, pressure cooking can be a healthy cooking technique. The stiff fibers in some foods can be broken down by the high pressure and temperature inside the pressure cooker, which could increase their nutritional value and make them simpler to digest. Although pressure cooking uses less water than other techniques of cooking, and the sealed environment can help keep moisture and flavor, it can also lessen the need for additional fats and oils. For people trying to cut back on calories or decrease their intake of fat, this can be especially helpful. It's crucial to remember that the components used and the overall meal balance also affect how healthy pressure cooking is. Utilizing whole, fresh foods and avoiding processed or high-fat items can help make pressure-cooked meals healthier and more nutrient-dense. To prevent any mishaps, it's also crucial to carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions and release the pressure safely before opening the cooker. Using a pressure cooker has a number of benefits, including 1. Saves time. Due to the high pressure and temperature inside the cooker, pressure cookers cook food more quickly than conventional techniques. This can be very helpful when cooking beans or difficult meat cuts that otherwise take a long time to cook. 2. Preserves nutrients. The high-pressure cooking method can help preserve the nutrients in the food because it cooks it quickly at a high temperature while cutting down on the cooking time. 3. Pressure cookers are more energy efficient than conventional cooking techniques because they can cook the same amount of food with less heat and water. 4. Versatile. Rice, beans, stews, soups, desserts, and other dishes can all be prepared in pressure cookers. 5. Saves room. By replacing a number of culinary appliances, including rice cookers, slow cookers, and steamers, pressure cookers can free up cupboard or counter space in the kitchen. 6. Simple design and simple operation. Pressure cookers are straightforward to operate once you get the hang of them. 7. Enhances flavor and texture. The pressure cooker's high pressure and temperature may help break down some of the tough fibers in some meals, making them simpler to digest and possibly enhancing flavor and texture. Eight. Saves money. Pressure cooking can help you save money on your energy bills as well as the cost of ingredients, since you can use less expensive cuts of meat or beans and still get delicious results. This is because pressure cooking uses less energy and cooks food more quickly. While using a pressure cooker has many benefits, there are a few drawbacks to take into account as well. 1. Learning curve. Because pressure cooking differs from standard methods, it can take some getting used to. To prevent any accidents, it's crucial to carefully follow the directions. 2. Restricted capacity. Despite coming in a variety of sizes, pressure cookers are typically smaller than conventional pots and pans. Hence, cooking big quantities of food at once may be challenging. Three, safety issues. If not used correctly, pressure cookers can be harmful. When opening the cooker, make sure to release the pressure safely according to the manufacturer's recommendations. 4. Restricted browning. Because of the high pressure and temperature, pressure cookers are not recommended for browning meat or vegetables because they risk overcooking the food and turning it mushy. It is frequently required to separately brown the food before pressure cooking it. 5. Food can get overcooked and lose its texture and flavor if it is cooked for an excessively long time or at an excessively high temperature. Six, restricted monitoring. You cannot keep an eye on the cooking process once the pressure cooker is sealed. As a result, it could be challenging to tweak the recipe or modify the spice as it cooks. 7. Steam release can be messy. If done incorrectly, releasing the steam from a pressure cooker can be messy and even dangerous. In order to prevent any accidents, it's crucial to carefully follow the manufacturer's recommendations.